Okay. Have you guys looked at the thing for this week?
Yeah, we're doing more Google Earth.
Yeah. That's my least favorite thing to do.
I know. Oh, let's see. Trying to see if there was an easy way of sorting all the data, but it doesn't look like it. I guess I could try and show my Google Earth and we can try and work through it. There's 3 whole questions, which is nice.
Yeah.
I guess the big question. In order to share my screen, you'll have to enable it.
Yeah, I figured.
It's usually under participants and there's like an option.
Yeah, I think it's good now. Try it now. Sweet.
Okay. I'm guessing everyone can see my screen, but you can let me know. So the first question is, what is your estimate of the amount of retreat for the Helheim Glacier between 2001 and 2011? So I've got 2 different Helheim Glacier options. I've got this main one that I think is just like the actual location. And then this one was like all the hundreds of measurements, because as soon as I click off that, all the measurements go away. So I guess the question is, which one is the 2001 measurement and which one is the 2011 measurement? So
how many measurements are there?
There are, I think, like there's at least 2 per year, I think.
The one you have pulled up says it's 2007, or that one's 2006, looks like.
6. It didn't seem like it was in any particular order, unfortunately. Here's 2001, so we're good there. This is 2008. We don't want that. 2008. 2004. 2005. I was hoping they'd go in some kind of order. But see, here we're back at 2001. 2000. 2000. 2002. 2002. 2003. 2000. 2000. 2004. 5, 7, 9. We're getting closer. 9, 10. 10. 10. 2001 again. 2001 again. Are we supposed to be in a particular, no, just the year. It doesn't tell us the month to use. So 3. I didn't see anything search-wise that would get us anything faster. 5, 5, 6. I'll start here at the end. 2011, good. 2011. So far, we've got what? We've got 2001 around 512. I don't know if that's accurate enough or if we want to try and find an earlier one in 2001. And I could find, I think there's one more, 2011, 821.
Is May 2001.
There is a May 2001. I thought that's the one I was on. Yeah. Yeah, May 2001. 8. 7. I think we're gonna be okay between May and where is it? Oops, darn it, did I click off? And this one. I mean, this is at the end of a hot summer, and the other one's at the beginning of the summer. So I think that should do okay. We can go from what? Peak to peak. So 4.44 kilometers is what I see. So 4.4 kilometers of retreat between May 2001 and what was this other one? And August of 2011. 2011. I can put the actual date in there if we want. 21 August and what was it, 5 May? I think that was it. Uh, 2011, 2001. Well, that's actually not a retreat. Because it looks like it actually grew during that time, unless I'm picturing. Oh, I see. So this is the far end as it's going down, and then this is the nearest end, closest to the slope. Yeah. Thanks. Are we good with that answer? Head nods. Okay. Between 5 May and 2001, yeah, 2001 and 21 August. Yeah. And then what are some possible reasons to explain this amount of retreat in such a short period of time? I would say that's kind of obvious, but I'm open to interpretations.
I have watched some videos from Green. They say it's warming up and they're losing a lot of glacier water and stuff like that.
result of what, global warming? It's global warming of the atmosphere / Earth.
It's usually the effects.
Yeah. Another possibility could be, what is it? Isn't there from some of the reading, there was like thickness of the ice. Amount of lower snowfall. With the less snow, there's less ice. Or snowfall amounts.
I'm just curious, could acid rain be a part of it?
I don't know if acidity has as much to do with it, because that would, I don't know. I'm open to suggestions. We could also come back to this after, because this one right here is probably going to take the most amount of time. What year had the most retreat between 2001 and 2011?
So for that one, we just have to compare all the different lines.
I think so. Well, like from the highest one up. Well, between 2001 and 2011, I think all of these are within that date range. And so, what do we have here? We've got this one is oh, the most retreat. So we have to go literally year by year. So between 2001 and 2002, it was this. 2002 and 2003, it was this. 2003, 2004, it was this. We have to identify all those individual years. Ouch. I wish there was an easy way of looking at dates in this thing. Maybe, let's see, sort A to Z. No, probably not. Place mark, image overlay.
Does instruction number 5 in the document help at all?
I only have 3 questions, at least the one that I downloaded. Do you have one that has more?
No, I mean, the Google Earth help guide, measure distances and areas. I don't know.
Yeah. To view more historical data. This is it. Multiple KML. Yeah. Select the one titled. Yeah. That's what we did. 2005, 2003, 2001. Well, there's a 2001.
2003 or 5. That's why
Uh,
the pictures are there.
yeah, this is the near the beginning of 2001, and so 2009. There's 2000, which is too far. 2000 too far. 2010 too. Need to find the one that's the longest in 2001 in this entire thing. I mean, we could try and divvy it up if many of us have Google Earth and have this file open. We could concentrate by year. Like I could concentrate on like at least the odd years, and someone else could concentrate on the even years. That might speed things up.
I don't even know how to leave Zoom right now to even go look at them.
I'm gonna try to open my Google Earth to get that started.
Okay. There's a 2000. There's the one. And there's 4. There's 2010. 2010. 2010. 2009. Two 2003. Another 2000. There's another 2000. 1. No. No. 2007. 6. 2005. 2004. 2008. 2008. Another 2001. 2007. 2006. 7. 2007. So it says, let's see, 2001, 2002, 2009, 9, 10, 10, 11, 2011, 2011, 20. Okay. 8, 4. Oops. Where are all these other ones from? Yeah. 107. So we go from here to about here. So 2001, 07, 1, and 2001. 08, 2. Wow, that's a big gap in 1 month. I guess the question would be, is this YYYMMDD, or is this YYYYOD, sorry, DDMM? So is this January of 2001? And this is February, or I don't get the dates here. 2001, 08, 02. That's the biggest difference that I can tell. And from here to here is the biggest amount of retreat. So from a ruler perspective, from, say, take a decent distance from here to here, because that's about the general 0.7 kilometers. Zero 0.70 kilometers. And 2002 slash something. Sorry, 2002. Or I'll do 2003 to some other 2003 date. I think most of the 2003s were near the bottom here. No. I think these are all the 2011 dates, though. (2011) 0620. Zero 0821. 2011. 1.43 kilometers. Okay. 2003.
I think the June 2005 picture is a big clue.
Yeah.
Looks like a big piece of bread.
I don't think they did too many 2003 measurements based off of data I'm going through. There's a 2003. There's another 2003. 2004. 5.
Does that show anything? I can't get anything on here.
There's got to be an easier way to go through this data. Okay. So here, 2003 0808. To 2003 0504. Was gotta take the middle of the road here, I think. .41 kilometers. Okay. 2005. I think I can mostly eliminate these top ones. Oh, 2007's right there. I wanted those. 2005, yes. 2004, no. 4 now. 8. Yes. No. I'm back in 2006 is the rest of the way. And 50829. Oh, 2003. So 2003. 0423. Yeah, there to there. 2.43. Okay. Now 2007 something. It's good. It's good. Good. Here's most of the 2009s. Okay. So here we have 2007, 08, 19. 2007. 0702. Was 1.75. Okay, 2009. Okay, good. All right, so we've got yeah. 06. Okay. Then 90801. I haven't even so 01. Okay. Is anyone able to get the ones?
It seems to me like 2005, the year was 2 point something.
Yeah, 2.43 kilometers.
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone wrote anything else down. We could put in all these and then we could just highlight this individual one as the highest. And that would show that we did a bunch of measurements.
There should be extra credit there, don't you think?
Yeah, well, it's probably true. Quarter, Megan or Hera, were any of you able to do 2002, 2004, 2006, 8 or 10?
I've been trying to figure it out and like look at the Google Earth and clicking around, but I think something is wrong with my computer because every time I clicked on one thing, it would all disappear or it would all come back. So if I had more time to like go through and nitpick it, I would have figured it out.
Okay, well, we've got about maybe 10 more minutes. There weren't a whole lot of 2010s from what I remember. So I can go back here and at least start the 2010s. Because I think those were all concentrated down at the bottom here, which made it nice. That's one. That's one. That's one. That's not one. I think most of these were all within the first few. And then it had almost none. There's one. I don't think there were any more 2010s up here, from what I recall. So this is probably a good. If we look at 2010 0921. Okay, 2010. 0327. Oops. One 1.3. .39. Kilometers. Okay. 1, 2, 2. And a whole lot of 2008s. Thought there would be more 2008s than that. I got a whopping 2. Oh well. 280501. 2008. 030 0330 was 0.73 kilometers. I'm pretty sure, unless there's some huge anomaly, 2005 is going to be our year. Yeah. Here's the must retreat. So 2006. Start up here. There you go. Not a whole lot of 2006 measurements, from what I remember. Where's it? 2006. 2006. 2006. I don't think any of the rest of these were 2006. Yeah. Okay, so we can go from, I don't want that one. Two 2006 0830. 2006. 0426. $1.30. 2004. 2004 is mostly down here. Well, I think I'm going to call that good for 2004. And we have 2004 0607. Here. 2004 0506. Was 0.23. There's some other one that snuck in here. No, I think all the rest of these were 2000s. So 2002 is the last year. don't remember too many of those. There's one, there's two. Three. I don't think there's any more 2002s. Oh, there's one. Okay. Here we got 2002 0805. Two 2002 0602. 1.41. Okay. 2001 to 2011. I don't think I skipped any years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. That was a whole lot. All right. So let's see who was here. Good. Fisher. All right. Does anyone else want to think of another reason for the amount of retreat? Maybe one more reason might be good. Global warming of the atmosphere.
How do we say the temperature in the air was warmer in the summer or something?
Yeah. Caused increased ablation from the, use the scientific term from the reading, ablation. So higher temperatures, lower snowfall, and precipitation amounts. Anything else jog anyone's memory from reading?
What about the, maybe don't remember what it's called. It was just pushing harder into the ocean.
Pushing harder.
The I remember reading about that today.
The decreased weight of the glacier ice could also have caused less growth and thus less retreat during the time periods measured.
Great job.
Okay. Well, I will. I'll submit this once court gives me the Zoom recording link, and I think we'll call it good.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good evening
Yeah, thank you.
and a bright future.
All right. Good night.